Hi everyone and welcome back. So for today's episode, let's have a look at the eSIM feature of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and see how to use it. eSIM is getting really popular across the globe, especially after Apple's complete removal of physical SIM cards from their iPhone 14 lineup in the US. But still, it's a great option to have a physical SIM card. You might be thinking, what is the benefit of eSIM? Well, if your phone gets lost or stolen, no one can pull out SIM card from your phone if it's locked. Your phone remains on the network, plus you can also track it. While for physical SIM cards, just use a SIM ejection tool and that's it takes to make your phone offline from the network. First, make sure your phone supports eSIM, as Samsung makes a lot of different phones for different regions. My S23 Ultra is from UAE, so it supports two physical SIM cards, or you can use one physical SIM and one eSIM. Physical SIM cards are super easy to use, as we already know, but talking about eSIM, check if your carrier supports eSIM or not. You can do that by going to your carrier's website and check the availability of eSIM. If eSIM is available for your carrier, you can request a QR code for that. So eSIM will be provided in a QR code that you have to just scan on your Galaxy S23 Ultra. For that, go into Settings and now tap on Connections and choose SIM Manager. And now you have to just add eSIM. Now camera will be opened up and scan the QR code that you got from your carrier. So that's it. Now eSIM will start working on your phone. Keep in mind that you can use two physical SIM cards or one physical SIM and one eSIM on your Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you have two physical SIM cards in your phone and still you are trying to register eSIM, phone will automatically turn off second physical SIM card in order to use that eSIM. I know it's an easy process to register eSIM on a Galaxy, but this video can help those people who are trying to use a Galaxy for the first time. Make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more cool content and giveaways. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.